Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Doom the Dark Ages Revelations DLSS frame generation not working. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. Once in settings, you wanna go to display. Scroll down till you find graphics. Now click advanced graphics settings and make sure that you set the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling on. And after you've done that, you wanna exit out of this and restart your PC. And after restart your PC, try if the game works. Now, if that doesn't work, what also you can do is open your NVIDIA or AMD app, go to update, obviously, the driver to the latest and greatest, go to graphics, select your game from the list, select the Doom from the list, go to global settings, and make sure they have DLSS override model preset set to use the 3D application settings. And then you simply click apply, and you want to make sure that you have DLSS override frame generation mode also set to 3D application settings. After done all of that, you can restart your PC one more time and then see if that helps your issue. That's it for this video. That's how you fix DLSS frame generation not working in Doom the Dark Ages Revelations. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.